Chill in the house, shut your mouth. So boom, my client wanted me to reinstall these locks for her. So let's start with a little pre-parting. And you see me. Gave her about 80, y'all. You see the work, you see the vibes, you see the length, you see the time. Okay. Put my assistant on a job because ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Don't play with it, okay? My assistant went in, she came out victorious. As you can see over here, it's a little bit of you see it.
Wow.
So boom, over here we got them put in, swingity, ain't nothing flippity floppity. It was a little dingy, so I did a little work, and boom, had a little color, you feel me? Everything looks better in a little color. Swingity, all right. Okay, now you can stop swinging, sis. You can stop. Okay then, you see y'all good, sis, twisting it up, twisting it down, twisting it around. Okay. This is no flitter. This is literally how fast I twist down, get you up out of there in 30 seconds. Oh. It's a vibe all the time. Vibe. It's hair and chill on the installs, on the color, on the retwist, on the come get this. Okay. Bam. Okay. Bam. Okay. Bam. Had to hit her with the Thanos real quick. All right, y'all. She got like about 70 locks in her head. She was feeling herself, and she's a teacher. She's about to go to school tomorrow, like, boom, bam. Had to hit her with the Thanos, because I needed her up out of there.